From across our heartland, soybean, livestock, and poultry farmers are working together to feed the world. And thanks to modern technology, along with a number of dedicated organizations, that food has never been safer or more plentiful.
Well, the consumer is demanding food safety, and that's one reason that we've all got the attitude we do of raising the food in the United States to keep a safe food chain for our consumer, because we never want to lose that consumer as our buyer of our product.
We've got to do a better job of telling the story about the benefits of consuming highly nutritious meat products like pork. There'll always be personal preferences. We must meet the requirements of the marketplace. We can't dictate to the marketplace what they eat, but I think we need to do a better job of telling the story of the benefits from the products that we do produce to the marketplace.
Anytime you're involved in the food chain, your kids might end up with it. There's always been a heightened concern over food safety and food quality.
From breeding to harvest, farmers are working with government and private institutions to develop a standardized series of steps. But farming is only part of the food safety issue. Every aspect of food production, from processing to packing, takes strict measures to keep consumers healthy.
Every morning, all of the immediate contact surfaces are sanitized before anything is processed.
That animal is met at the door of the plant, not only by our personnel, but by a USDA inspector who, first of all, checks to make sure that animal is in a healthy condition.
We check both aerobic plate counts and protein buildups on our equipment every day to make sure that the product's clean.
It's not only an animal welfare issue, it also puts less stress on the animal, which leads to a higher quality product.
The consumer is our #1 item, that we want the safest food, and we want United States food, and keep United States food in this country because it is the safest.
Other measures include hazard analysis critical control points, or HACCP plans, that allow processing plants to control any issues that have slipped through the cracks.
We can actually go to individual production lots and track those to the end user and pull that product back if we need to.
Besides the HACCP program, we have our own food safety programs set up that are way more strict and way past what HACCP requires. So that track number leads us back to every product that's put into it.
Food safety really covers a pretty broad area. I mean, it's much more than looking at the general health of that animal and being concerned about the welfare of that animal going through the system and the quality of the product that the animal generates.
Although principles like animal welfare and sanitation have always been common practice for producers, a barrage of misconceptions has forced the poultry and livestock farmers into the role of educator as they fight to defend their reputations regarding food safety. Since domestic animal production accounts for 98% of domestic soybean meal sales, it is an issue with a significant impact on agriculture as a whole.
My kids are going to eat whatever it is that we grow, and so you have a real strong sense of responsibility.
Consumers have safer, more efficient, more responsible food thanks to the help of today's livestock, poultry, and soybean farmers. So show them your support and keep the U.S. animal ag economy strong.